Welcome everyone to stretching. So in this video, we'll be looking at different types of stretches from head to toe and how to wake up each part of your body so that it benefits you as a whole. So we first start with your head. Rotate your head completely in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions for 3 times. And then pull your neck. Use your other arm to crawl and feel the stretch. Since your neck is a sensitive area, handle it gently and come back to resting position. Now as you stretch your sides, remember to not lift your legs from the ground. It might be difficult at first, but try as much as you can, and as you keep doing it every day, it will get easier. This is very important for having that hourglass shape, because I never had that. I had a lot of fat, and this helped a lot. To stretch your back, as you breathe in, completely go upward and arch your back. As you breathe out, let your chin touch your chest and form a camel hump. Now to stretch your legs and hips. This stretch will twist your body, and though it might seem hard at first, it will help you balance. Feel the stretch on your pelvic, on your thigh. Always place your arms beneath your shoulders and your legs in right angles. Your legs shouldn't be folded in a very different angle. And as you go into the mountain pose, make sure your knees are straight. When you do this twist, you awaken Kundalini, the dormant energy residing at the back of your spine. So that part is the most unused part. That part is the most stressed out part when we are seated, when we are driving, when we are doing any work. The stress or the energy accumulates in that part and doesn't let us function. So awakening Kundalini is possible when you're twisting and turning your body and stretching every part of it. Now once you complete the stretch, try doing the reverse stretch. Every time you do a pose in yoga, you do a counter pose to balance that particular pose so that you don't suffer from back pain or cramps. And once you're done with the reverse stretch, surrender yourself to Mother Earth. Put your head down and go into child pose.